Hello from Gardening at Douentza here in Ireland, and this is an unboxing video. So today we're going to unbox this LED light that I've been sent to help me keep the light up in winter for my orchids. Okay, so the story with this is that over the course of the time that I've been a YouTuber, I've been approached by various companies asking me to use their products. They'd send their product for free and I could then feature it in videos. And mostly it has been, well, stuff I wouldn't use, so I've not been interested. Occasionally I've been contacted by companies who had special lighting for orchids, and that was of extreme interest to me, but in the two occasions that I was contacted about that, it always turned out that in the end they couldn't ship to Ireland, like they just hadn't done their homework in the first place. But in the last month, a company in Sweden called GEMMA, there we go, contacted me and offered to send me some LED lights. And the idea is that I should use them and make a video and give my genuine recommendation or not, or verdict in any case, on how the lights worked out. So I'm very happy to do this. And while I was away in Northern Ireland, this box arrived and I am now going to open it. Now, I do believe that this company has also contacted YouTuber Roger Frampton, and he is also being sent these lights, so it'll be interesting to see over a period of time how they work out for both of us. Okay. Of particular interest to me is the low running costs that these particular lights take according to the company, so I'd be interested to monitor that over a period of time. Okay, so we have, oh great, so this is how you affix the lights to the ceiling. I didn't think that would come with the lights. That's going to be very handy. And here is the unit itself. I feel a bulb. Okay, so it's well packaged, and this looks like it has come without sustaining any damage, which is always good. And so we've got a bulb at the front and an on-off switch at the back, and this needs to suspend from the ceiling with the fixtures that we already see. Now at first glance there's no instructions with this, so I guess I'm going to have to check out the company's website to find out more and do a good bit of reading before I install this unit. Okay, so as you can see, quite a neat little unit that looks quite easy to erect, to put up in a room, and I will do that in the shortest time. For the moment, I'm going to link to the website of GEMMA Limited down below. I'll just print it on the screen and you can go and check them out for yourselves, and I'll be doing that in due course to work out what's the best way to use this with my plants. The idea with this Growlight is to use it in addition to the natural light, and I think I'm going to use it over some of the highlight cattleyas, so you know, some of the species ones that have proved difficult to flower for me. Then I will put this particular unit over them. Okay, that's all for now. Thanks very much for watching, and check back again soon. Bye.